Hello guys, I'm Diwakar back with another new cool video, and today in this video I'm going to show you how you can use your phone as gamepad for your Android TV. So without wasting any more further time, let's get started. Firstly, download and install Gamepad for Android TV app on both the phone and in your Android TV. I have given the Google Play Store download link in the description box below. From there you can download the app. In case you don't find it in your TV, then just search for Pub IoTech. You will be able to see the application in Google Play Store TV. In case if you are unable to find the app on your TV Play Store, then inside your phone, just beside the app install button, click on arrow down button and select your TV and click on install to install the app on your TV. This only works if same Gmail is logged in your TV. Once downloaded on both the devices, go to settings of your TV and go to Bluetooth section. In some TVs, it's named as remote accessories. Now turn on Bluetooth on your phone and pair the mobile with your TV and connect to it. Inside TV, go to app settings and make sure you grant the permissions, which lets the app to use Bluetooth to transfer your gamepad key inputs from your mobile. Now open the app in TV and select I am TV option. Now click on Open Keyboard Settings. Inside Manage Keyboards, turn on Gamepad for Android TV. And then set Gamepad for Android TV as input method. Then go back to the app in TV. Now on your phone, open the app and grant the permission asked and then choose I am phone. Now on your phone, you will see an option called Scan for TV at the top. By clicking on it, you will find the list of Bluetooth devices. From the list, select your TV. That's it. Congratulations. You have successfully transformed your phone into wireless gamepad controller. Now you can navigate through UI and play games using this gamepad on your phone. This app also has the functionality to edit the buttons configurations in case you find any of the button not working or want to customize the input based on your needs or game's requirement. You can change it by clicking on the settings icon which is present on the right side of the Scan for TV button. There you will find an option to edit the button configuration. Once you change it, it will be saved automatically. And in case if you want to reset, you can do that too by clicking on the reset all button on the top right corner. On the left side of the Scan for TV button, you will find a vibrate icon toggle which will turn haptic feedback on and off when you click on buttons on your gamepad. On your phone, when you press it on Scan for TV and if you see dialog box showing no pair devices, then you haven't turned on the Bluetooth. Just follow the setup process carefully again. In case you find TV isn't responding to the actions performed in the gamepad, just try navigating left or right using D-pad on your remote once and then try to use the gamepad again. This should work. In case if the issue still persists, then check if the phone is connected to TV over Bluetooth properly or is it disconnected. Check if Gamepad for Android TV is turned on in Manage Keyboards and is set as active input keyboard method. Check if all the permissions are granted to the app in both TV and phone. These 4 debug steps would resolve the issue. In case if the issue isn't resolved, drop a mail to dev.iotech.com and they would be helping you to solve any issues. Note: most of the games which can be played using PlayStation or Xbox type game controllers are supported by this Gamepad app. There can be few games which might not recognize this app as Gamepad. You can drop the game name in the comment section. We will try to get the game supported soon. That's it for this video guys. Don't forget to drop a like, share this video with your friends and family and subscribe to our channel and click that bell icon to get notified when a new video like this drops on our channel. So I'm Diwakar signing off and I'll meet you in the next one. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.